Assalamualaikum friends, today I will tell you how you can earn money from Fiverr.com without any skill. Now I am going to show you many people are earning from Fiverr without any skill. Here you can see all the people earning from Fiverr without any professional skill. First of all, you have to make Fiverr account and then attach a gig to your account. You can also copy the details of Fiverr experts for your profile like this. You can copy the description for your profile. Now you have to download some tools to make it for easier. You can also download some tools. Now I am going to tell you that how can you download all that tools. First of all, just visit this site touchsoftware.com. Its link is given in this video description. Here all the tools are very useful. I am going to tell you about this Yellow Pages Spider. You have to download this software tool which is used to extract details about any business from any city like emails, map links, phone number and other contact details. After downloading and installation, open it. First of all, you have to select the country. Now put the keyword in this box and put the city name in this box. Just click search. Now click get data. The data will start collecting in a spreadsheet. As you can see, this tool generated some results on this sheet. You can save them. After collecting data, just click stop. I hope you liked this video. Please keep watching our more videos.